What's up everyone, it's McLeod Knife Collect doing a review on the Tank Butterfly Flipper, or Balisong for some of you. I got this knife from bladeplay.com. There will be a link in the description box for everyone. Got this for about 23 bucks. Shipping and handling was free on it. Knife, first off, weighs about half a pound. It's actually pretty heavy for some people that like flipping around lightweight knives. Let's see, it's got a single tang pin instead of two like some knives. There's one there. Some will have two up there. The effects that the stuff that I don't like about this knife is that the latch doesn't have a latch gate or a wall right here to prevent the latch from going into the handle. And the play in the knife, which is, look at that, there's a pretty good amount of play in there when it's supposed to be about like right there. Yeah, there's no screws on this knife holding the knife to the handles, which I think is really good because I hated messing with those, trying to tighten them or Loctite them and everything. And there's no screws holding the latch to the handles. It's got a partially serrated blade. It's actually somewhat sharp. I cut myself like 2 or 3 times already with this thing. I've only had it for like 5 days. Let's see, what else? These black scales is what they're calling them, which basically look like polished black wood, or painted black wood that's polished out. They're held in, probably most likely glued in, but they're also being held in by the knife handles itself. The metal pieces are angling that way on both sides, keeping these from sliding in and out. And there's no pins holding those together, so those should actually stay in pretty good. Unless you crack them, then it might obviously fall out. That looks like it. Oh, and the handles are solid construction. They're not sandwiched pieced like some of the Balisongs out there. One solid piece. Yeah, pretty cool knife. I definitely recommend this to just about anyone who loves flipping Balisongs. But yeah, please rate and comment. Thank you.